I'm Logan with DMC, and today I'll be showing you how to use an adjustable die set to accommodate varying insulation thicknesses for wires and components using the HX4 full-on crimp tool and Y1117 die set. These dies feature built-in insulation crimp inserts that adjust to accommodate various insulation types and sizes. These features offer support while preventing damage to the wire insulation. To begin, partially loosen the clamping screws on the movable die with a hex wrench. Be cautious not to remove the retaining rings or screws. Next, move the adjustable insulation crimp insert to align the adjustment marks to the open position or the widest position. Slide the insert up and down slightly to ensure full engagement of the crimp height steps. Retighten the clamping screws and insert an appropriately sized sample terminal for the die into the locator. Now, insert an appropriately sized, unstripped wire sample into the insulation portion of the crimp barrel only. Don't allow the wire to enter the conductor portion of the crimp barrel. Cycle the crimp tool fully and then withdraw the crimp sample and flex the wire 3 times. If the wire is loose or pulls out, repeat the steps, setting the adjustment to the center position, and if necessary, to the closed position or tightest position. When the sample wire is held firmly after flexing, check the insulation envelope to ensure no cuts have occurred in the sheathing. The die is now ready for line service. If the terminal fails the test, consult the terminal and wire manufacturer to ensure the appropriate components are being used. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X.